Right, hello everybody. So how is everybody doing out there? It's your buddy Sam one here, and today with a long-awaited unboxing video, we got it going for you right here. And I said I was gonna take the plunge and I was gonna do it, and I finally did, folks. I got it. Here's the Nintendo Switch Lite. Yeah, this is me, the gamer right here. 51 years old, still gaming, still buying game systems, right? Yeah. All right, that's what I do. It's my hobby. So yeah. I mean, whatever you want to say about it, but here it is. So I got the yellow version. There's my dog over there. I don't know what she's doing. And yeah, but it's kind of funny how I put this thing on layaway, and just right after that, the Pokemon version came out. And I was like, oh, I want that one. The Sword and Shield one came out. It doesn't come with any games. It just has the Pokemon, Pokemon theme all over it. So that's what I got, folks. And this is where, but I got this one. I would have gotten the gray one, but anyway. So I'm gonna start unboxing here, and I'll just kind of just narrate as I unbox, so we don't waste too much time. So we're gonna turn the camera this way, tilt y'all down. Let's see, we got y'all in the shot right there, right there. Go. That's the Nintendo Switch. Right there. No need to look at me, because this is what we got right here. This is the star of the show. So anyway, like I said, I have the Nintendo Switch Lite unboxing. If you see something running around back here, it's my dog. And she's there. Come here, Snowy. Come here, come here, come here. She's just over here. She loves attention. So, hey, Snowy. You want to unbox it? Here, unbox the Switch. Come on, unbox it. Snowy! Yeah. That's my dog, folks. She's just there. Just there. Just having fun. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to upload this to YouTube, because as I did say, I'm going to leave the platform because of all that COPPA stuff. But if it does end up on YouTube, well, hello YouTubers. I guess I came back with another video, right? So, let's do this. Let's unbox it. If I did upload this to YouTube, would this be classified as a kid's video? I mean, it is a game system, so I don't know. See, to my discretion, I feel that this, well, my channel has always been intended for everyone. But I guess this could be, I guess if the FTC wanted to say, well, that's a kid's video, maybe they're somewhat right, because I am unboxing a game system. It is appealing to kids. So like this video, I'm not directing it to children. You know what I mean? That's not the target audience that I'm looking for. But it's not to say that, a kid's not going to find this video and see it. Like, hey, look, Nintendo Switch. Because kids are attracted to this. So if I do upload it to YouTube, I will mark it as made for kids. Of course, there won't be any comments and stuff like that. But it's, and I'm not worried about demonetization or anything like that, because my channel's not monetized anyway. But this is YouTube stuff. But if it's on another platform, oh well. Then I guess what I'm saying right now means nothing. You know what I mean? So anyway, here we go, folks. This is the unboxing right here. There's a Nintendo. Look at that. There's the console. So what do we have here? We also have this right here. So I've seen unboxings before. You have the instruction manuals. We do have a charging brick right here. You don't get much, big old charging brick there. Some people say this is a charger. Well, actually it is a charger. It's a wall plug. But, yeah. And that's it. This is the Switch Lite. It's the new version. There's no dock. There's no HDMI cables or anything like that, because the Switch Lite does not dock to the TV, sadly. But no, it's the cheaper version. That's what Nintendo came out with. Strictly a handheld. So it's... But this unboxing is fairly simplified. There's the packaging. We remove that. And here is the console in all its glory. Right there. Switch Lite, baby. Switch Lite. We have our buttons, our vents. We have the... I guess these are vent holes in the back. The Switch logo. Coming across the bottom, we have, let's see, down here we have the charging port, which is a USB-C See, and it's got the notch here to where it would look like it would go into some kind of dock. And they do make docks and stands for this system because you can dock it. They do have a special dock for the Switch Lite, but it's only for charging or if you wanted to just kind of prop it up on a stand. That's all of what it's for. It's not for TV output. So, do we have any power in this thing? Let's see, where's the power button? We have rocker switches up here, SD card. I think this is the SD card, or is this the Nintendo card slot right here? I think this is the game card slot right here. Yeah, this has got to be probably the game card slot, and the SD card slot is down here. So when you get your micro SD, it's going to go down at the bottom right there. That's your... So... It slides out. I don't know why I feel after a while this is going to break off. See, I can't even get it. So there we go. So there's the Switch slide. You get the barcode and all this stuff. The Joy-Cons right here. Well, these are not Joy-Cons because they don't come off. Let's see. And there we go. Home button right here. So let's turn this baby on. Do we have any power? Want me to switch? This is the home button, so I wonder if this is the power button. No, I think the power button's up here. It's recessed. We do have power. There's a Nintendo logo right there. Alright. Switch. Okay, so it doesn't do that. The switch. Oh, yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay. So I thought it wasn't going to do that since the Joy-Cons don't come off, but I guess it does. So there's the languages right here. You set your English and stuff like that. See, there's the languages. Got a lot of glare because I'm in a very brightly lit room. So of course, yeah, we're going to do our setup right here. All that good stuff there. So we're going to do that. I'm probably going to do that in a separate video. So we'll go ahead and just switch it back off. I think we do have some power. I don't know how much battery power we actually have. I can't see. Alright, so there it is, folks. That's the Switch Lite unboxing right there. I don't know how you turn it off. Oh, there we go. Okay, I was holding it down. So that's it. So you get in the Switch Lite. This is all you get. You don't get much. You get a power brick. Plug it in, you get the little instruction manuals, which probably no one reads. It's fairly simplified, and that's about it. The box in all its glory. That's it. So, alright folks, so this is actually the YouTube version of this unboxing. So, if it goes up to YouTube, I guess I could say this video is made for kids. Even though I'm not intending it for children, I'm going to mark it as made for kids because it is a gaming system. And, well, yeah, I mean, this is appealing to, you know, if a 10-year-old or an 11-year-old watches this, you know, they're going to be attracted to it. I know this is an unboxing video, but I was checking out my analytics the other day. Yeah, my analytics. And my audiences, people who watch my channel, are usually between the ages of 24 and 34. So I don't think there's very much children that watch my channel anyway. So YouTube officials, if you're watching, check my channel out. Check it out. Check out my analytics. Not much children watch my video anyway. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah. Like I said, you know, I'm leaving the platform and I don't know. It looks like some things are changing. So, but right now, I'm, you know, still considering on closing the channel, but I just figured I'd give you guys another video. Now, I did get a comment of somebody saying that, oh, I'm just not into YouTube anymore, and oh, you uploaded a video 3 months ago, you're just not into YouTube anymore. So in other words, they're just trying to say that I'm just leaving because I want to, and it's not the COPPA thing, it's not this YouTube, it's not these terms of service. Well, foremost, it's COPPA and the FTC. And in a way, it's also YouTube. They changed their terms of service even YouTube itself is limiting so many things. So I'm just not too happy with the platform anymore. Sorry to say that, but you know what I mean? And I did have plans to bring you guys more videos. I actually did have plans to bring y'all more videos. I'm starting, I'm getting back into vinyl records. I was considering, I wanted to add a vinyl records section to this, a segment to this channel. And, each time I bought records, I was going to come on and do a video and show y'all what I bought, show y'all my gear, show y'all what I play my records on. So, I mean, this channel was on its way to expanding. So for anyone to come up and tell me that I'm just not into it anymore, no, I was very into it. My content is very slow. It's like I said, and I've said this before, but obviously this ignorant person probably didn't see it. I don't get sponsorship. Companies do not send me free products. I don't get free products from anybody. Everything that I unbox is purchased by me. And I purchase items when I can buy them, when they're affordable to me. And when I have something to show, I'll bring a video and I'll show it to you. If I don't have anything to show, then no videos go up. I do not want to upload boring content that nobody's going to watch. I have over 1,000 subscribers. My channel is not that big. I even run the possibility of YouTube just coming up and telling me, oh, your channel's not that good. It's not bringing in enough money. So we're going to take away your channel. We're going to delete you, which apparently I hear that that's what YouTube's doing also. It's not because it's not because I'm not into it anymore. It's just with all this stuff that's going on. So anyway, guys, I didn't mean to ramble too much, but I'm going to go ahead and just end the unboxing. I hope you all like it. And yeah, just enjoy it. Comment while you can, if you can, because I am going to mark this video as made for kids. I mean, because I feel that it is. It's a gaming system, and, I feel that kids would be appealing to this. So, let's see what happens. All right, folks. So, yes, I mean, so far I'm still set on leaving the channel and closing. And, yeah, it's not too far. It's going to be sometime around the first week of December. Will I come back with a goodbye video? I might. It just depends. Maybe I'll do one farewell video, leave it up for about 24 hours, and then that'll be it. Alright, folks. But meanwhile, I'm giving you more content. If I should go out and buy a game or something like that, I'll come back on and show y'all guys. Alright, so y'all take care. So, yeah, just enjoy it. Just enjoy it before the finale. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later.